If you're a business owner and now you have stuck at the point to choose the best web hosting services for your website so that your website should run fast, it should be reliable, and definitely and ultimately your goal is to your website should be safe and secure. It should not get hacked easily, right? So now this is the most and the crucial point to finally decide the best web hosting services for your business website. As a business owner, you should take the risk. It's your decision, because even though you're outsourcing your website development tasks to anybody else, still, I will recommend you as a business owner should think on it which web hosting services you should go for. In this video, I'll guide the best 2 web hosting services. As a business owner, you should understand the basic points and the ultimate goal, what exactly you want to achieve from the web hosting services. I'll not overwhelm you by depicting a lot of web hosting services from this video, because according to my last 9 years of experience, I will depict the best 2 solutions for you. Now it's on you, your budget, and ultimately your decision which you should select. Okay, the link for those web hosting services I have given in the description boxes as well. To choose the best web hosting service providers, you should keep only 5 factors in your mind. What are they? I'll guide you. So the first factor is the site uptime. You have to check that. The uptime is the most crucial component of a good web host. If your site isn't up, you won't make money or gain your audience, and ultimately your site should not go down in a working time. So this is the first thing you have to keep in mind. Second thing you should keep in mind is a site speed. Site speed impacts everything related to your site. Okay, so your site should be load faster. It should be mobile friendliness on mobile as well, even though you are using a 4G connection or a Wi-Fi. Whatever things the customers are using, your site should load fast. Okay, and this is the most important part of every website. Okay, so that your audience should get a good quality experience when they are visiting your site. I'll give you the example of the Amazon. Okay, even though Amazon are having many products, but they are having their own server, their own things there, so you can't do something on Amazon, right? But have you checked the site experience, like the site speed experience? It is the best. Yes, so you have to pay attention to your site speed. It should load below 5 seconds. Third thing is the most important is the customer support, because this is the most important and a crucial step, because when running your own site, web host customer support is the single most important thing web host can offer, and you should require 24/7 customer support. Okay, next, fourth point is the pricing. You don't want to overpay on hosting, but avoid choosing a host exclusively on the price based. Okay, so I will depict you the pricing options as well in this video later on. And the last is the migration features, the ability to easily and quickly migrate an existing site will save you weeks of time. Okay, so these are the 5 things you have to keep in mind if you are choosing the best web hosting providers. So I think now the basics to choose the web hosting, what you have to keep in mind is clear to you. Only 5 things you have to keep in mind, and these are the best things according to me: site speed and security. Migration is also the important step, and the main and important is customer support, because whatever issue you are having from your server, whatever things you are facing from your server, the customer support from the server team, it should be very fast and it should be 24/7. So let's move on to the best answer to this your questions, like which are the best web hosting services you should go for. So let's have a look into. Before moving on, I request, if you are new to this channel, then please don't forget to subscribe to it and like the video if you really appreciate the content what I delivered. it gives me an inspiration if you like the content. So we will move on further. Keep watching this video till end. So according to me, these two are the best web hosting service providers, Hostinger and the Bluehost. Okay, now I'll depict the difference between two and we will look into the pricing as well. So Hostinger is the definitely it is the best. It is providing the web hosting, cloud hosting as well. So web hosting is for small to medium websites. Okay, and for large scale projects, if you are business into the large scale, then you should go for the cloud hosting. So both are the hosting they are providing. According to VPS, so they are providing the VPS hosting, cyber panel hosting, and Minecraft server hosting. Okay, so for your, if you are a small scale website, then VPS hosting is okay for you. You can go for the VPS hosting itself. Regarding the email and all, another service they are also providing, but I will not recommend the email service from the Hostinger or any web server things. Okay, and again they are providing the domain name, US lookup, and domain transfer service as well. And this is the most important. If you are having a already existing domain and you have to transfer that domain to the another domain, that domain into the another web hosting service. Example, like if you already have a website right now in whatever server, okay, not Hostinger, not Bluehost, but anything else, or if any server which is not in your hand, okay, you should have total control of a cPanel or a backend of this server to you as a business owner. It is really an important thing. You should have a backend complete setup in your hands. It is the most important thing, and this is what many business owners they forget. They doesn't look any attention to this thing. Okay, they usually they are many dependent on a website designer who is designing the website to them, and this is what a big mistake you as a business owner is doing. You should have control of your website. How website is your asset. It is your asset. You are getting leads through it. You are getting a business from it. How you can give your asset backend access to anyone else if you are trusting that organization to whom you have handed over the website design task? That is fine, but still in this modern era you shouldn't trust anyone. You should have total backend control from the server, because this is a main place. This is server is understand it as a database, the collection of the files like in many websites are there, they are saving into their database, that is a server. And this is the most important thing. People they don't understand the difference between a server and a website. There is a difference. Server is the place where location where you will save your website, and if you don't have access to that server, if anyone else third party will delete your that space from the server, then your website will get deleted. If that server is not secured, that server is having many not security or many issues, then how you can have a great business from a website? And if you wanna run your business online via websites, then this is the most important factor. You have to pay attention to it. Even though it sounds something difficult for business owners, because you are already running your business, you're busy into it, I can totally understand, but you have to pay attention to this factor as well. Only basic two things are there, a website and a server, and this video is totally giving you total understanding of a server. Okay, so don't get overwhelmed. So what exactly you are into, so which kind of hosting? If you are a small scale, then you will be required a smaller medium website, and the normal dedicated hosting is okay for you. Okay, don't get overwhelmed. Regarding the domain, now domain is the third. Domain means this is this hostinger.in. This is what is written here. This is a domain name. Okay, so www.anything.com.in. in whichever location. This hostinger I have opened in India, that's why it is showing .in extension here. Okay, if I will type hostinger.com, then see, this is hostinger.com. So they have a domain from outside. This is a worldwide domain. Okay, and this is specially for India. So this is a domain. So you can select the domain according to your business. If you are having an international products or services what you are doing, you should go for a .com domain. And if you are into only the India, you are not serving your products or services out of the India, you can go for the India domain, a .in domain. It will save you cost definitely, right? So .in domain are cheap one as compared to .com. Now you have to decide at your own. So you can buy domain from here as well, directly from the service provider, but I will not recommend you to buy the domain from the hostinger or this Bluehost panel. Even though they are providing these domain services as well, I will not recommend you to buy, because they are selling some domains are in very expensive rates. Okay, so you can buy domain from the third party, like in GoDaddy. I will recommend you can buy the domain from the GoDaddy. They are selling in very cheap. Instead of that, many websites are there. I'll list in the description box regarding the domain from where you can purchase the domains as well. Okay, don't worry. So we will go forward for the hostinger. So this is a hostinger. From here you can purchase your hosting. So if you can't purchase it, you have to tell your web designer that I have researched on a hostinger and I want to purchase space on a hostinger, and please help me to have integration between that domain server and all this thing togetherly. He will help you, he will support you, but only you have to tell, you have to decide after researching this document of the hostinger. Either you have to go with the hostinger or you have to go with the Bluehost. Both options are the very good. Okay, don't go for a third option. There are a lot of options available online. Yeah, I will recommend you should go for it. I will not make it compulsion, even though you can this video I'm shooting in a 2022 now. In after later on years, in which year you are watching now, I don't know. So but right now in 2022, these two are the best according to me. Okay, so I'll go again in depth for a hostinger. So see here, premium web hosting services, the perfect package for personal website. Even though you are having a personal website or official website, whatever things, so they are starting from 149 rupees per month. So you should make calculations of it, and this is not the exact amount because taxations and all will be the later on things. They are, as always, they are there, they will be there. You have to pay tax, yeah, for everything. We are also, everyone is fed up of paying tax, right? No, but it is a mandate process. You have to pay it. Okay, then this is a perfect package, so you can go for the features of it, right? There are a lot of features as a personal website. If you are launching your personal website or small scale, these are the enough features that what they are providing. Only the basic features, I can understand you can get overwhelmed by all looking into this. What is a GIT support, what is a SSH access manager? Don't look into a lot of things. They are the technical things. If you can understand, if you have to understand, then you can study in depth. Okay, type that word in a Google, you will get to know all the definitions and synopsis of all the stuff. But if you are a business owner and you don't have time, then simply things you have to check. I'll show you. See, this is a unmetered traffic, unlimited GB space should be there. Like they are not, they are making it most of the way straight without worrying whether your site's traffic exceed bandwidth limit, because some of the hosting services, they are restricting us to means you in monthly only 1,000 traffic, 1,000 customers should be there, 2,000. But here on the hosting, or they are providing us unlimited traffic, unlimited GB, means 1,000, 2,000, 10,000. that is not a worry, if even though you are purchasing this package. Yes, so this is the important thing. This is what I really prefer. Everyone should prefer it, right? So this is the unlimited traffic should be there. 100 websites. So they are providing us the 100 websites. So can you imagine, in a web hosting, in a single web hosting, you can have 100 websites togetherly. No need to purchase your hosting again and again, even though you are planning to prepare or design your multiple websites. No need to purchase your hosting again and again, but accordingly you have to select a plan before purchasing. Okay, if they must be having some options for only one website as well. We will look into it. Okay, they have changed the panel somewhere. We will look into it, so you should go for it. Are they providing only one website, or are they providing the multiple websites? Some of the they will provide the 50 websites, 100 websites, 1000 websites according to your packages. So if you're planning to build multiple websites, then you should select the plan right now. Okay, so you have to make planning of it. Okay, so some of the business owners, they are purchasing this web hosting, but they are utilizing only one website, even though they have access of the remaining 99 websites. So it is not mandate you should have total 100 websites togetherly. It is a professional package they are giving it. They know, okay, if you are having a small business and you must be having 2 or 3 websites, that is the enough, right? If you have something like in for international.com domain, .in domain, or your landing page website, or your sales funnel website, that depends on the people. So max 5 to 10 websites per user they will be taking. But if you are a professional who are selling the services to give the websites, then maybe your web designer or web developer will buy this web hosting for you. So one website he will dedicate to you, second to the second client, third will be to third client. So like that they will play in the role, right? So they are responsible to keep all this tracking of a web server, but you can also do it from your own. So, and again, this is the most important, 100 GB SSD storage. And this is the SSD storage is really very good thing. I can see this is for the storage space, how much storage, like your media files, if you are uploading any videos on your website, and this much storage there, 100 GB is more than enough. It's more than enough for if you are running a small scale organization. Okay, so these are this much storage they are providing. Okay, and the fourth important factor is SSL. You have to look into it. SSL is a certification which is provided to your website from these web hosting services, and they should provide the SSL certificate. Okay, so SSL, what I depict this is, so this is a security certificate. You can see the secured sign here, right? Connection is secure. If you will click here on this thing, this button here, they will be connection is secure. Means if anyone your audience is if you have an e-commerce website or payment gateway integrated to it, so definitely your website should be secured. Okay, your connection should be secured definitely. So SSL is also one of the factor you should look into, and they are providing free domain, free email. Don't go for this thing. I will recommend you don't go for this thing. This is not for the things, and these are the optimized for WordPress. If you are definitely putting your website from the WordPress, then you can go for this. Like you can get more paid, better SEO, visitor retention, conversions with this their WordPress optimization tools out there. So these much are the points you should look for. So this is the overview of the hostinger, and these are the basic terms, and the same terms will be for here in the Bluehost as well. So see here on a Bluehost panel, they are having free SSL protection and CDN, free domain for 1 year, only 1 year. They are charging it very expensive, right? And they are giving it free for 1 year. From the next year they will take that much charges from you. Okay, so nothing is free nowadays. Okay, so and this is the main important 24/7 expert support. So I'm having my website, my own domains are there on both panel. I'm having a Hostinger and a Bluehost. Both are best. Both are, my websites are running very smooth and fine. I'm having some of my clients website as well. So they have very secured, very good customer services they are providing, and I'm really very happy. Sometimes Bluehost services gets like an hardly for 10 minutes or max 20 minutes their server gets down to upgrade the things, but that is fine. That happens with hosting as well. And if it any service provider, they will keep your they will upgrade their system there, and they will keep the server down, but at the time they will get recovery as soon as possible. And the best thing is they are having the best customer support. Both of them are having the best customer support. Okay, now you will ask me like which should select. So you see, here are the differences in the packages. So Bluehost is providing 169 per month, and this is providing 149. So hardly they are having like it's not a big difference. Okay, and one thing you have to keep into the mind, if you're from India, then you should go for the bluehost.in, and if you're not from India, you wanna purchase something like in the international domain or international support you want, then you should go for a bluehost.com. You should go for you should land for the bluehost.com web page. Okay, if you wanna support for your website, then you should take care. So for .com domain, definitely there can be the different prices in the dollar. You can see these are the dollar prices per month, and you can see now it's on you, like how much you are ready to invest here. So they are having some offers as well. So this is the what currently offer is going on here. So you should keep track on it, and up to 70% off on hosting for WordPress websites and stores. They are providing the free domain. Again, this will be for a year, forever. They can't provide the forever free domain services. I don't think it is a safe free domain for first year, right? So this is what you have to look into. So don't get a lot of tempting things like in they are providing a free domain. So make sure this is not a forever, because the next year you will be having bills from the Bluehost, big bills. Right, so you should look into it. Then the free SSL, yeah, this is for forever. They are providing the free SSL. CDN is okay, and money back guarantee as well. Everyone is providing the money back guarantee, and these are the reviews. Okay, fine, they are the best, definitely. Now these are the some plans here: basic, choice plus, online store plus, marketplace. Now it depends on you, like which you want. And for one block, if you have multiple website, if you want backups, you want some marketing tools as well for that, you should go for choice plus plan. And these are the new what they have added here right now: online store and online marketplace. So if you want to sell some things, online plus plugins to build store, so these are the some plans they have. If you have offline website, like only you have to show some information, so this is choice plus is good option for you. And if you just starting up your blog and simple website, information website you have just starting it, this is okay for you. But if you really want to make some money from your website, then you should go for this. And if you have an e-commerce portal of your own, then you should go for online store, definitely, because and it will be expensive, and definitely you have to pay some things for to get a lot of things from the your business. It's not your I don't think these are the expenses. Okay, these are the investments in your business what you are doing, and you have to do it. You have to invest in your business. Yeah, so guys, it's on you, like which web hosting you are preferring, and which you want to go for it. So I'll guide you some more in depth for Bluehost. Basically, I like Bluehost. The services what I'm getting from Bluehost, I'm really very happy for it. Whatever they are giving, they are providing their documentations, their processes, I like it. Especially I like their expert support. The people are very expert, and they are very friendly, and they can help you, right? So their package is fine. They are 169 per month, and a bit higher as compared to hosting a, but it's okay. It's not a big deal. Okay, it's an not a big deal. If you will pay the bills, your total complete bill annually, then they will be having some more discounts on it as well. So guys, just click on the host your site. So get a WordPress hosting that fits your ambition, blog, website, or online store. We have got a plan that fits perfectly. It's one reason we have recommended WordPress since 2005. Now see here, server location, it matters. From what you are selecting, it matters. You are selecting the USA server or an India server. Okay, so whatever you are selecting, the data center services, they will be from there. Okay, so make sure select this properly. Okay, wherever you want your server location, wherever you are into the business, then you have to select your server location accordingly. Okay, and this will require, see here they have written, boost conversations and the SEO ranking by reducing your website load time by selecting a server location closest to your customers, right? So where your customers are, if they are from India, then you should go for the India server, and they are from the out of India, then you should go for the USA server. Okay, and this is the important thing, you have to choose it. So we will select any, suppose the USA. So in the USA, they are having basic plus choice plus options there. In the basic, what they are putting, show you in the basic. Yeah, okay, I must be lost it. Wait a minute, in the server. Yeah, this we lost it. So this is the basic plan, 169 per month. Normally it costs 299 per month. Plus plan, a great way to manage multiple sites. If you want to manage a multiple site, this is plus plan for you. And the choice plus is 279 per month. So you should make calculation, 279 into 12, how much it is going for, and if it is okay for you, you should go for this, right? So and see here that they have recommended this plan for this to build, if you want to build an unlimited website. And this is my experience, guys. If you are looking to build an unlimited website, okay, then you should select this. This is a one-time investment. Yes, I can understand there is a big difference between this and this plan, but you should go for it. And the main thing, you should look into it. Right now they are selling this is for 279 per month, but after that, later on, they are pricing to this 399 and 499. Okay, you should look to this factor as well, because after that, after sometimes they will charge you this amount, and here they will charge you 299. If they don't have any, you know, schemes after in latter years, then they will charge you this amount. So you should look for it. You should have pre-calculate your business calculations. Yeah, how much you are going to invest there, how much pre-calculations should be there, how much you are going to invest there, right? So this is all about the WordPress hosting, which you want to select. You should just click on the select, whichever you are selecting, and here they are asking for your next, we will set up your domain. They will set your domain, create a new domain, and you can as per I said, you can search for here as well, whatever the domain you're looking for, or use the domain you own. So this field will be required if you have any existing domain. First, existing domain.com. Yeah, so you can use this if you are purchasing the domain from the GoDaddy. Then after purchasing from the GoDaddy, you have to put that domain here. And if you can purchase it from the Bluehost as well, but they will be expensive. So before purchasing, you should go for it. You should see their plans and all, or you can simply skip the domain. I'll create my domain later. Also, you can create if you don't have any domain right now. Okay, and then you have to create your account. You can sign in with the Google as well, and just create your account here. And here, see, account plan will be here. This is the account plan. 12-month pricing is this, 24-month and 36-month. Okay, so they are having again discounts on the pricing plans, like 36 months. If you are going for it, then they have it to 279 per month only. And if you are purchasing it for only 12 months, then they will be, cost will be expensive for you. It's 429 per month. Okay, SSL are free, definitely. Hosting price is this for 36 months. If your total pricing going on this plus taxes will be there. Extra packages in this website backup. If you wanna keep your backup services, then you can select. This is for 119. See here, valuation are going on. SSL certificates, if you want positive SSL certificate, 149. It is not required for the things. Website backup is also not required for now, but if you have a big store and you really want a good service, then you should go for their website backup services as well, because it will require in future. If your website gets deleted or anything will happen, then it is okay to be safe from start. It's not a lot, it's only 120 rupees per month. Annually it is charging only 1428 rupees. It's not a big deal. Okay, you should go for it. Be have a confidence in purchasing this. This is your asset, this is not your expenses. Just remember this point. I can understand this is a one time payment, is a big deal, but yes, it will be required if you really want to run an online successful business. These are the mandatory things which is required. Break it down. Okay, don't think like these are so many expenses what I'm doing right now. I don't have that much money at this time. I can totally understand. If you are a business owner, then you have multiple expenses in your buckets. But this is what, if you wanna run your websites online, this is what you have to do. Okay, so don't have something. So you just have make calculations. So 11,000, hardly it is costing 11,000. So how much it is costing you per month? Okay, make a calculation for a day at least. Okay, after a month, divide it into a day, see how much things will be there. I'll show you that calculations as well in later on. Okay, so here used SEO premium plugin. So this is costing 229. Don't purchase it from here. Okay, don't purchase used SEO premium plugin from here directly. You just purchase from the used website, and this is a SEO plugin. It is not required for now. The premium plugin will not required for now. If you are running only a basic website, then used free plugin will also work for you to do the basic SEOs. But if you are writing a lot of blogs, and if you want to do the interlinkings and to get discovery on the redirections, 404 and many technical points are there in the website, then you will be required to use premium. But right now, don't purchase it from. This is the upselling what they are doing, right? This is the upselling, so don't go for it. I will recommend you just buy this from directly used website. So don't buy this here. Website security protection, it is a 99 per month. If you want to get your website very secured, then you can go for it. Hardly 100 per month. They will be taking the complete responsibility of your website to make it secure, right? So if they are taking, then you should go for it. So the website backup and the website security protection, you can go for it. Even though if you have not buy this, it's okay, because already they are giving us this security. It is not a mandate thing. It's on you and your budgeting. If you have the budget, then you should go for it, right? So but don't purchase another things done. So these are the total savings, and these are the total amount what you will be having to pay. Don't forget to click on here. I will read and agree to the terms, and if you wanna go for the terms and conditions and the cancellation policies, then you can review this and then submit it and make your payment. Right now I'll not I'm not going to pay this. So in this way you can purchase, and after all total costing will be this much if you have selected for the 36 months plan, and if you have selected the 12 months, so for the 12 months, see how much less it is costing. Okay, so I hope you get a lot of things from this video. So finally the conclusion part is I'm going to conclude this video, and here I will recommend the best. Both of things are the best, and now it's your decision, your call, which according to your budget, which is which is the hosting you want to purchase. You can go for Hostinger as well, you can go for a Bluehost as well. And for safer side, if you have two different website, if you are running two different website, and if you want to test, then you can buy things on the both and see how the feedback. But already I have the both, so it's my experience that both of them are equally they are equally best. Yeah, so it's your total budget and annual cost. And same thing you can do it for the Hostinger. I'm not going to show you everything like in the Bluehost packages, how much it will cost. Hostinger will be also the nearby same, a bit lower will be there from the Hostinger maybe. So you just see the things. Now it's on you. So I hope guys you like this video, and if you gain a lot of things from this video, then don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy, be happy. Bye bye.